Hello everybody, welcome to ePrime for this evening. I am Daedran. Well, it's New Music Friday and there's no better news than Teejay drifting to Warner Music. Well, Dancehall's current viral king Teejay is now signed to the international music label Warner Music Group. The news broke via a release from Solid Agency last night as they announced the deal minutes after signing. Teejay, accompanied by Sharon Burke and co-chair and CEO of Warner Chappell Music, Guy Moot, aimed to what Solid Agency calls Dancehall's biggest deal for the year. Now, in the release, Moot says he is happy to see dancehall music and another Jamaican artist in this context and on the global rise. The co-chair has been influential with Jamaicans over the 2 decades, having worked with Steely and Clevie, Steph London, and having been integral in Stephen McGregor's career. Teejay's drift has propelled him to the top of dancehall acts gone viral on TikTok with dance challenges. The song is acclaimed locally as the song of the summer. Now, statistically, Drift demanded over 20 million views according to Song Stats, over 2 million views plus, and the top trending in the number 5 spot on YouTube. Drift has also blown up internationally with the biggest numbers in London, New York, Atlanta, and Africa. According to Solid Agency, with a major deal like this one and the Warner Music machinery behind him, the artist's music will be exposed to sync rights, gaming, and the sky, of course, is the limit. Now, Madonna joins exclusive club as she charts across 5 decades. Madonna has made her way into the elite club of artists. This as her latest single, Popular with The Weeknd and Playboi Carti, debuts on the Hot 100 chart. According to Billboard, Madonna joins exclusive company in having a hit song on the Billboard Hot 100 in 5 distinct decades: the 80s, the 90s, the 2000s, the 2010s, and now the 2020s. Popular, the soundtrack for HBO's Idol, was released in the first week of June, made its way to the number 43 spot, and according to stats by Luminate, the single has over 10 million official streams and 4,000 copies sold in the US. Madonna now sees 58 Hot 100 charters and joins Cher as the only women to have debut titles in the Hot 100 in 5 separate decades, with Cher's history on the chart spanning through the 60s to the 2000s. At the top of the list is Elvis Presley, with debuts across 7 decades. Now, making a 6-decade club is Michael Jackson, Paul McCartney, Frank Sinatra, and the Isley Brothers. That's it for your weekend edition of ePrime. I am Daedran. Thank you for watching.